traditionally, whenever money used to move around the world, what the banks or PSPs would need to do is they need to have working capital. So this working capital would be tied in terms of nostro accounts, something like a sending institution A, say for example here in the UAE, when it is sending money to somebody in the US, they keep large amounts of money, hundreds of millions of dollars in a bank account in the US so that they can move those payments, right? And this is working capital for the banks. Our estimate is there's about $5 to $10 trillion that is stuck in this working capital. And this is the majority of the cost of wire transfer. People always ask us, hey, why is wire transfer so expensive? Why does it cost so much money to move from country A to country B? What they don't realize is that large part of that is the liquidity cost or the working capital cost. And we have eliminated that. So the way we have eliminated that is, let's assume there is a GBP to XRP open order book in exchange licensed by FCA in the UK, right? And there is an active market because crypto markets are 24/7, 365 days a year. There is an open book which is running GBP into XRP. And then there is an open order book that's running between XRP to Philippine peso in the Philippines. So in this case, you don't have to have any liquidity in the Philippines. What you're able to do is take that 1,000 GBP, convert that into XRP. XRP within 2 seconds travels to Philippines, and at a government-approved exchange, a central bank-approved exchange, it gets converted from XRP into Philippines peso, and the payout happens to the instant payment system. So within very short few minutes, everything gets paid out, and now you don't need those hundreds of millions of dollars for the institution or this $5 to $10 trillion to be there. So almost the working capital can go down to zero, eliminating very large amount of cost that earlier would used to be there in the wire transfer system. So we are tackling the elephant in the room, which is the liquidity cost.